How do you say nothing in Tagalog? Wala. Kumusta po kayo? Welcome back. Let's continue our journey in learning a beautiful language, Tagalog, the language of the Philippines. In the last video, I responded to a request from one of the subscribers of this channel to explain the Tagalog Mayroon, Meron, and May. In that video, we have learned that Mayroon, Meron, and May are interchangeable words that are used as verbs to mean to have, to possess, and to exist, or to indicate the existence or presence of something. We've also learned that they can function like adverbs in words like may sakit, sick, may alam, smart, etc. But what if there is nothing? What is the opposite of Mayroon, Meron, and May? Well, that's what we're gonna talk about in this video. But first, be sure that you have seen the last video on Mayroon, Meron, and May so that this current video will make sense to you. The link is in the description box down below. Ayos? So, tara, simulan na natin. The opposite of Mayroon, Meron, and May is wala. Wala is an adjective that means nothing or the absence of something. You can say wala in three ways. As an adjective that conveys not possessing something. As an adjective that conveys the non-existence of something. And as an adverb that conveys not being in a certain state. Let's have sample sentences for each. Number 1, not possessing something. Our sentence pattern is wala plus subject pronoun or subject noun plus ligature plus the object, which can be a noun, a verb, or an adjective. Let's try. Wala akong aso. I don't have a dog. Wala kang kotse. You don't have a car. Wala tayong usapan. We don't have an agreement. Includes the listener. Wala kaming sasabihin. We don't have anything to say. Excludes the listener. Wala siyang magagawa. He or she doesn't have anything they can do about something. Or he or she can't do anything. Wala silang pera. They don't have money. Wala si June na niluto. June didn't cook anything. June ends in a consonant, so the ligature is na. Got it? Moving on. Wala si Maring itinulong. Marie didn't help with anything. Wala sina Anton at Tess na pupuntahan. Literally, Anton and Tess don't have a place to go to, which is how we say Anton and Tess are not going anywhere. Got it? Moving on. Wala sina Marie at Arianang kinuha. Marie and Ariana did not take anything. Ayos ba? So far, so good? Well, now we know that Tagalog is very flexible. We can flip this pattern to wala plus ligature plus the object plus the subject noun. Here are a few examples. Walang aso si Peter. Peter has no dog. Walang kotse si Marie. Marie has no car. Walang trabaho sina June at Ed. June and Ed don't have jobs. Walang itinago sina Tess at Anton. Tess and Anton didn't hide anything. Walang utang si Peter. Peter has no loan. Or Peter doesn't owe money to anyone. Walang laro sina Erica at Andrea. Erica and Andrea don't have a game. Let's move on to the second usage of wala. But before that, please be sure that you're subscribed if you're still not by simply clicking on the subscribe button and the bell notification button so you'd be updated of new videos. All right? Now, the second usage of wala is for non-existence of something. Our sentence pattern is wala plus ligature plus noun plus the location. Here goes. Walang tao sa bahay. Literally, there's no person in the house, which is how we say, no one is home. Got it? Walang bata sa kalye. There is no child in the street. Walang aso sa loob. There is no dog inside. Walang damo sa bakuran namin. There is no grass in our yard. Walang mga estudyante sa silid-aralan. There are no students in the classroom. Walang mga puno sa bundok. There are no trees in the mountain. Ayos ba? Hindi naman mahirap, hindi ba? It's not too hard, right? Now, let's move on to the third and last usage of wala, for not being in a certain state. We have two patterns here. One is for subject noun and the other is for subject pronoun. The first sentence pattern is wala plus ligature plus object noun plus subject noun. Here goes. Walang sakit si Tess. Tess is not sick. Walang kaya si June. June is not rich. Walang sayad si Marie. Marie is not crazy. Or Marie's brain is not being dragged on the floor. Got it? Walang alam si Rose. Rose is not smart. Walang tama si Ed. Ed is not drunk. Another context of tama is walang tama ang sundalo. The soldier is not hit with a bullet. Walang buhay ang pasyente. The patient is dead. For plural subjects, the plural marker mga is placed before wala. Here are some examples. Mga walang silbi sina Peter at Rose. Peter and Rose are useless. Mga walang kusa sina Ed at June. June and Ed don't have initiative. The second sentence pattern is wala plus subject pronoun plus ligature plus object noun. This pattern is for pronouns that are used as the subject. Here are some examples. Wala akong sakit. I am not sick. Wala kang kaya. You are not rich. Wala siyang sayad. He or she is not crazy. Wala tayong silbi. We are not useful. Or we are useless. You can expand this pattern to a more complete sentence. Like, wala kaming alam diyan. We have no knowledge of that. Or, we know nothing about that. Wala silang ambag dito. He or she has no contribution with whatever is being referred to. Got it? Wala kang tulong na ibinigay. You had no help that you gave. Or, you didn't help in any way. That's about it for now. I hope you learned something new today, and if you did, please hit the like button because that will help this channel be recommended to more people, thus helping this channel grow. Alright? Our lesson on Mayroon, Meron, May, and Walâ is not yet over. In my next video, we will learn how to ask questions and respond to questions with Mayroon, Meron, May, and Walâ. So, be sure to catch that. I will see you then. Maraming salamat po at hanggang sa susunod.